Just me and you, ooh, baby. Just me and you, just the two. Just me and you.
Hey, Merry Christmas. It's Danielle, aka the Carefree Natural, and this video I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite things, hair tools edition, and that's really ranging from a lot of different things, so we'll jump right into it. So this paddle brush, so cute and shiny, like rose gold. So I got it, I paid, I don't know, maybe like $7 or $8 for it, just because I liked how it looked. And my old paddle brush was starting to mess up and everything, so I got this one. And you know how a paddle brush works, but I liked it because of the look. This thing, this little egg tangle teaser, it's kind of more gold than rose gold. But yeah, this is my newest favorite thing. It really goes through your hair, detangles it very well, especially when there's conditioner in it. It doesn't pull out a lot of hair, especially compared to like a dim brush or something. So this is definitely a keeper. Along those lines, my shower brush. It's similar to a tangle teaser. I got this first. The bristles are thicker and they're like evenly spaced all around. But this is really good if you're in the shower and to detangle your hair when there's conditioner in it. There's this loop on the back, so it won't fall out your hand while it's wet. And I also use this to like define my curls compared to a dim brush, because I don't know, this is just easier for me to hold compared to a dim brush, so I'm over dim brushes basically. So that's not on the list. Rat tail comb. I'm pretty sure every black person has one that's this color from that set with like 10 pieces in it. But this is just go-to for parting your hair or doing your little baby hairs. Yeah, this is very useful. This heart bristle brush, I think my friend gave it to me because I don't know where I got it from. But these are like plastic bristles. But if I'm ever trying to put my hair into a ponytail, or this is what I use for my baby hairs too, to like put them, swoosh it or whatever. But I don't do baby hairs that often. But yeah, because the bristles are so hard, it's very helpful in making everything lay down. This creepy little thing is this mannequin head with the hair already in it. I use this to practice braiding sometimes. I haven't used it in a while, but it's very helpful. You know, just practicing the technique and whatnot. So I need to practice a little bit more and kind of, I guess I could do any hairstyles on this if I wanted to practice. And then with this, I got this from Amazon. This mannequin head holder came with it, so you can like undo this and then put it on your table or whatever, and then tighten it back up so you can work more easily when the mannequin head. So either this one, you can tilt it and all that stuff, or like a regular, whatever this is called, or a regular mannequin head like this. And then this can move around and swivel and stuff. The stand itself is very helpful when you're making wigs too, because it just helps hold the head better, the mannequin head better. This is a hot head. I got this earlier this year and it's so cute. I just wanted one. But the purpose is you put it into the microwave and there's some little beads or something in here that warm up, and you put like a plastic bag or a plastic shower cap on your head, and then you put this in the microwave and you are able to put it on your head, and it stays warm for like 30 to 40 minutes, I think, and it just helps enhance your deep conditioning sessions. So that's pretty cool. I've used it several times now, especially when I was doing like, what is it, rice water treatments. So that's helpful. So you don't have to sit under like a blow dryer, hooded blow dryer thingy, whatever those things are called. This mist bottle, whatever. It says hello gorgeous. I did a video with this in it, but I just think it's so cool. Let's see. Oh, I just put the water in it. I'm making a mess, huh? But anyway, you get the point. So that's helpful, especially because it's like a uniform spray. It can coat like each section of hair that you're working on instead of having to like use your hands so much to keep pumping on the water bottle. I have regular water bottles too, but I don't know, that one's just fancier. This Conair 1875 styler, which is just a fancy way of saying blow dryer, but I like the most that it has, you know, a comb attachment. I try not to blow dry my hair too much, but the comb attachment really makes it so much easier. It's basically just like combing your hair, you know. With this, I tried to do it without the comb attachment. That's how I see people do it. They just blow the hot air on it and then they take like this and then like that. It's nearly impossible for me. So this comb attachment blow dryer is a lifesaver for me. These little guys. What are they? Alligator Clips? That's from that's like, I'm pretty sure that's from like electrical engineering, like wiring and stuff. They call them alligator clips. So whatever you want to call these, just hair clips. But when I'm like washing my hair or doing a style or whatever, these are really good. They just keep my hair out of the way. They're not like some other ones I've seen where they're like really sleek, so it doesn't like hold your hair. But these have, you know, the teeth, and it's just easier. These ones are easier. Let me see if I can find the other ones. Yeah, ones like this. Yeah, these are hard for me. Like, unless you have straight hair, I don't really see how this could, like, yeah, this isn't, these are no for me after I went natural. Personally, if you use it, then you know something I don't know. So what did you guys think? Were any of my favorite things some of your favorite things as far as hair tools goes? Have you used any of these before? Are you going to try something new now after watching this video? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Carefree Natural for the latest videos. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.